Hello students, today we are going to learn exercise 2.2 question number 9, 10, 11 and 12. These 4 questions we will learn. 2 questions I am showing and 2 questions I will give as assignment. Right? So here once again I am explaining formula which we will use to solve these 4 questions. Number 1, sin inverse sin theta equals to theta if theta lying between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2, close interval. Cos inverse cos theta equals to theta if theta belongs to close interval 0, pi. Tan inverse tan theta equals to theta if theta belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And one more formula, once again try to learn. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. If these two numbers are same, then we can write pi by 2. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equals to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. Using these two set of formula, we will solve these 4 questions. So I am showing question number 9. 9 and 10 both are similar type. In question number 10 we have to consider x equals to a tan theta. Here we have to consider a sin theta. So answer 9, tan inverse x divided by root over a square minus x square, where mod of x less than a. Let x equals to a sin theta. Why a sin theta will consider? If we will consider a sin theta, then a square, from a square, okay, it will go outside of root and we will get 1 minus sin square theta. And we know the formula of 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So if we consider x equals to a sin theta, then we will get tan inverse a sin theta divided by root over a square minus a square sin square theta. Any other trigonometric ratio if you consider, then you can't make formula. So you have to consider x such that you will get one formula. Okay, like that you will decide which trigonometric ratio you will consider as x. So here tan inverse, okay, here if x equals to a tan theta, then here it is better, right? Theta will be sin inverse x by a, because we have to put the value of theta in last step. Now here tan inverse, in numerator a sin theta, and in denominator a square if you take common, then it will go outside as a root over 1 minus sin square theta. 1 by a cancel, 1 minus root over 1 minus sin square theta is cos theta. So tan inverse, here we will get sin theta by cos theta, and sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So we will get tan inverse tan theta, that is equals to theta, and put the value of theta. Here already we have solved what is theta. Theta will be sin inverse x by a, and this is our answer, right? Then I am showing question number 12. Question number 11 you will solve. This kind of questions already we have discussed. So question number 12 I am showing. 10 and 11 you will get as assignment. So answer 12. You have to simplify. You have to find the value of cot bracket tan inverse a plus cot inverse a. Look here. Already we know tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. So here we can write cot pi by 2, and cot pi by 2 equals to 0, and this is answer. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you everyone.